and welcome to another lawnfawn video. Today we are quickly introducing not only the brand new ink pads that are coming out on Thursday, December 13th, 2018, but we're also going to be introducing the ink pads that came out all of 2018 because we hadn't done a video for those yet. So these ink pads are Sage Leaf, Apricot, and Grape Jelly, and these colors are so beautiful and gorgeous. And we also have a mini ink cube pack coming out called Secret Garden that has these three colors along with our pizza crust color as well, and it's such a beautiful pack. All of these ink pads have reinkers too. So now that we looked at the colors that are coming out now in December, we're going to go back and look at some of the other ink pads that came out throughout 2018. And those first two here are Pizza Crust and Artichoke. And these are the ones that came out with the fall-winter release in August. And these colors are so fun. They're kind of really great neutrals, which are so beautiful. These have the reinkers with them. And then we also have a mini ink cube pack called Sunday Brunch that has cranberry, ballet slippers, artichoke, and peach fuzz in it. So this is a really pretty pack too. Then last but not least, we have our spring 2018 colors. So we have raspberry, cilantro, and forget-me-not. These have the reinkers too, and we also have a mini ink cube pack called Farmer's Market that has forget-me-not, raspberry, cilantro, and juice box in it. And I love this one. The colors are so bold and awesome together. So next up, we wanted to show you all of the ink pad colors that we have. And oh my goodness, when I laid out all of these little stamped out hearts, I couldn't believe how many there were. It's such a beautiful rainbow. And so here is where Sage Leaf fits into this whole rainbow. Here's where Apricot fits in. So there's right there on the left. Then next up, we have our Grape Jelly. And this one's perfect for the new Let's Toast stamp set too. And then we have our pizza crust, and it's really nice to have a nice light brown. Next up, we have artichoke, and I love having a more olivey type green in this rainbow. And then we have our raspberry color, which is such a fun kind of pinky red color. Then we have cilantro, which is one of my new favorite greens. It's so bright and happy. And then last but not least, we have forget-me-not, which is that perfect blue that kind of helps fill in that rainbow there. Now we're going to take a closer look at each of the colors. So here is raspberry amongst all of its other red and pinks. So we have cranberry, then raspberry, chili pepper, lobster, plastic flamingo, and guava. So you can kind of see how it fits within our rainbow of colors. Here we have apricot, and so you can see how apricot fits within our oranges. We have apricot, then peach fuzz, carrot, fake tan, and pumpkin spice. And so it's such a beautiful light color. I love it so much. It's so pretty. Here we have a look at both cilantro and also artichoke. So here you can see all of our greens lined up. We have celery stick, cilantro, freshly cut grass, jalapeno, noble fir, and then artichoke. So next up we have sage leaf, and I wanted to show you that in comparison to both greens and aquas. So we have celery stick, cilantro, freshly cut grass, sage leaf, minty fresh, and then mermaid. Next up we have forget-me-not. So we have moonstone, then forget-me-not, fish tank, blue jay, and deep sea. And I love this blue color so much. Next up, we have grape jelly. So first up here, we have fresh lavender, then grape soda, grape jelly, sugar plum, and juice box. Last but not least, we have pizza crust. So here we have pizza crust, dough, and walnut all together. And these browns are so beautiful all together. I love them so much because they remind me of a deer. And so here is a look at all of the 2018 ink pads. So they're so beautiful and such a nice addition to our whole giant rainbow we have going on. And then here is a look at all of our mini ink cube packs. And these little tiny ink cubes are so cute, and I love how you can get so many of the colors in them. So I can't wait to see how you guys use these ink pads, so make sure to share it with us. Thank you so much for watching today, and have an absolutely amazing day. Bye!